Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm doing another little Aileendoll Pico dragon kit, and this is a pink version of that purple one that I did previously. So I decided to go with a Fairy K sort of style with this one. I didn't want to go too overboard with all the little jewels and stuff, so it's a sort of dulled down version of Fairy K, but I just wanted to do something with some pastels and just a couple of little jewels, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's a little box that it comes in, and I'm not going to do the whole video of making it, so you can check out my previous one where I did actually go through putting everything together. And it comes in a little kit like this, so be sure to check it out. I should be able to remember to link it in the description down below. But I'll just chuck in a few clips for you just to see what the difference is. There's really not much any different anyway, but apart from the colour, and I got some different eyes as well. So the eyes that I chose were a pastel colour that has a little heart in the eyes. So everything fits together exactly the same, and it's exactly the same sculpt with the horns and stuff, it's just a different colour. Okay, so here's what we have so far. It's all put together and without any colour or any face up on it. It's just so cute! I'd be happy just to leave them like this because they're just so cute. But no, we should put a face up on it. So I'm mostly using my airbrush for this face up, and same with my Galaxy one that I did, and I'm doing a white belly. And my airbrush is working fine this time. If you saw the other video, I was having a bit of trouble with it, but I gave it a good clean out and it seems to be working really well. So if you'd like an airbrush little video about what airbrushes I use, leave a comment down below and I'll see if I can do one up for you. So I wanted to keep the dragon majority of it pink, and I just wanted to add some pastel purple, pastel blue, and decided last minute to add some pastel green to it as well, just to break it up a bit because the purple and blue were very similar and it just looked a bit like it was missing something. So yeah, I definitely ended up adding a new colour to it. So I had a huge fail actually capturing any of that eyeliner process painting, but there you saw what it turned out like anyway. So I mixed up some nice mint colour of the green and I'm adding it to the back and the top of the head. So here's a little selection of jewels that I picked out. Some of them were a bit too big and just didn't really sit on the dragon very well, so I didn't use them. And I also chose some little what do you call them? Canes that you can cut up, which I've had them sitting around for so long and this was the perfect project for it. So taking off the head to put the eyes back in properly and attach the horns again, and then I can start painting all the little white nail bits and I can start sticking things on. So painting the little front teeth, they're so tiny, so you've got to be a little bit careful where you put the paint, but luckily it's pretty easy to paint, so you just sort of run your brush over the top of it. And also the little claws on the feet. And the little claws on the hands, and a couple of little claws on the wings, and just a few other little bits and pieces. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a Pearl X pigment, and this has a nice tone to it as well, so it's complementary to all of the colours that are on there. And I just put it over various spots of the dragon just to give it some nice shimmer and make it a bit more cute. And I'm going in with some Liquitex Gloss Medium, and I'm adding some glitter to some areas of the dragon. I just thought it was kind of cute, and you kind of see in the Fairy Cave fashion that it has a lot of glitter and sparkly stuff, so I decided to add some glitter. And I played around with all the little jewels and stuff, and decided to go with mostly the canes. They were just smaller, and they sort of suited the dragon a bit more than the larger jewels. But I did put a silver heart on it just to have like a neutral thing, and I put that big butterfly on the back of the head because I thought it was a bit bare, so it needed something on the back of the head. And then spur of the moment, little star on the belly just to top it off. And don't forget, you can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of the Nat. And here are my two little dragons together. And that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any requests, you can leave them in the comments down below. And I'll catch you next time. Bye!